Wha Gwann, everybody. Today we're up on the seaside again, but a total different thing we're up on. I head out with the boat and we're gonna pick up some fish trap and basically see how them bring in them traps and get some fish at the same time. So today is all about the fishermen in Jamaica. Big them up, support them because it's hard work. This is how we drive for the day. Barefoot are going on the water. Another ride that I go out with Jackie, go draw up and see what we can bring in and cook. I'm gonna set back the pot and we are going just step on a ride with him and see what I want. Just wake up, it's still early. The sun don't even come out yet. Early settings on the seaside.
Come on, you can't miss the man, come.
Oh yeah, man. Watch. Apart one. So go in?
Yeah, man.
I want to push out.
Captain push out, you know?
Oh.
Captain Sammy push out.
Captain Sammy, I push you out.
Yeah. This man go and talk here, man. Stuck like this man at my back of water to stuff for it. So I get rain today.
We're in a fall bright eye hotel, the sun man driver.
Alright. For instance, I used to pass Spring Mount, the girl come from up there. So
we're in a fall in a bay like crazy.
Yeah.
I just see now don't want to come out.
It's a farmer, it's a farmer to get rain. Eh? I know you have to have Jackie, you know. Jackie people them.
So that's just some man of your people them too.
Yeah, man, but oh, you're smart, boy. Macho, that's the man. Oh. Why you're working on boy?
What do you mean, man? Every day more. So I mean when the water that usually clear? Eh?
Water clear, can't see bottom.
Oh. Look us straight down. Oh, I want box round glass up. Body of blood. Come here, I said Jackie's skill in a rod. Jackie now no bucket tie up to inch up or nothing. He just know where he put it. And that's why you tell me when see when come up. You know where fear thing them there.
Oh, yeah, man. So we learn from the veteran and the man where see use buoy them.
Yeah. Initially I have a box with a glass that you use to look down and find the trap. No plastic there, not for find anything, no pollution in the water, just natural ways of fishing.
Well, I need to feel part of fisherman. I follow you doing something there, man.
They say, use the box and sit there, the box to the glass.
Yeah.
So basically Jackie just looking for the trap. There's no markers, there's no plastic boxes, there's nothing like that. He's literally just looking to see where his fish spot is.
Captain Sammy, Captain Smiley,
Captain Sammy.
Yeah.
Since maybe then get the new boat.
Him tell me, say, the rest of the year, we have to pick up my half a year and catch my see them in
When the new boat come?
in June.
Where's a new boat? Yeah, wait for it.
Yeah,
June now, you know, bro.
I'll call you and move slow so I get a new boat already.
You should have done that, so you know.
You understand me, Matthew? You should get a new boat long time. You want to move slow. The hotel not them.
Yeah.
On the hotel. So don't tell them where I know. And them pens.
Oh?
Pens and Trump. You couldn't do a pens one in the video. You watch it, Matthew? Pens and Trump one and turn over the thing, man. That's against the law. Not gonna do that. Pens cussing. Me and Trump cussing.
So you're just trying to hook the trap with this prong or cleaver that him have, just holding it till it hook and then him bringing up the trap.
Yeah, draw the pattern now, my boy.
Yeah, dry him up around.
Yeah. See you got me there, you know? Yeah.
So you just drag it while I go find it with the glass and then hitch it.
Yeah, find it with the glass.
And drag it.
Just hitch it, yeah. Natural knowing, man.
That me I say because usually me know say a man have a buckle
Run,
or a buoy.
if you look up in the mountain there, look up on top of the mountain, you see one round, something like one round.
Yeah,
You see round bump?
yeah. That
Come-
one I look for enough
Right,
to
come-
see if
come-
I that your mark.
Come right down now. Come right down for the round bump and so you see one light post almost at the seaside on the road. There, so.
Right?
Yeah, right in there. So
And that are your mark.
That's my mark.
Alright, so when me I go in like
I so you look, so. Look on the one on the flower. The pole on the flower. Look behind you. See the pole on the flower there?
yeah.
See, come over our house, you come.
Right
Just-
over my house, right?
Yeah, right over the house.
Yeah.
Right little bit in your part of the house.
So some me usually know if I come through a channel like
Yeah,
I
but-
pull
yeah,
them and them thing them usually use.
Yeah, just, so definitely they know, you know. It's a L you have, you know. You have one so, and
Yeah,
one so.
yeah.
So you have a L. You can't, this one stop you, know, you don't go further. But if you pass the S, just the mark, as long as you stop in mark, you're going to ocean. Fish how come? What's too much wind by that part?
Eh?
Nice trouble.
What's too much wind by that part? This light time, too much sugar. Alright, pull that here. Pull that here. You say something, so I don't want to step on the map at all. I sell you back to you now. Buy them.
You don't tell me the price, Bridget. You tell me
They sell
the
them make, you know.
price. You don't tell me the price.
20 grand for one. What you say about that?
Yeah, do them like that.
Come, you're mad, man. I want draw that, you know.
One drop or
You mad, yo.
eh?
And I sell you a fish pot, neck.
Yeah.
Ready to go and see if you can take it in the get
Right, they say you know make it back in a one drop.
Yeah, one draw. You get to it. The only thing you can make him, you got put in it, just be it and go to it and see. 20 grand sell you want someone at 50 grand, you want for that.
Alright, make your Solomon.
2 o'clock.
Solomon.
I don't want someone tell me say, but I think you have
Listen,
get 2.
Take one Solomon.
You understand what you?
Yeah, yeah.
I give 2 times 7 what we have. They sell him back 2. That's the guy eating 1 and 4.
I will have something to come like that.
What?
A paper or something.
Are you put in there?
Me? No, sir.
Well, I fish him must be not coming there. I fish him must
Still in amazement and just hook the pot, bring it up and I clear out now. All heap of wrenchman in there. It's a wrenchman. That's it. What you say, Jackie? Fish are gonna run. Them say them not used to see wrenchman. Wrenchman also known as squirrel fish by the foreigners. But this time of year you don't see this much wrenchman. So it's a sign of running. What kind of running fish? Grouper, snapper. For me time that. So literally bring it up. Yeah man, you have to read on that thing man. No, right first I never write with Redder yet, so I don't trust them from them time.
If you ever want to watch Channel 7. But no, you don't
Oh yeah, watch. Doppler radar and then sitting there.
Yeah, for me.
See what me like, see the whole piece of weed line and come in and me say son, me say big weed line way out there, you know. A weed line right there. Not really a weed line, but a mini.
Weed line, a ocean.
But basically bring up the trap, use a stick and push out the fish right into the container. How would I eat that shit?
One of the skin fish. Look how small.
May I give you a knife? Pass that knife.
You just load it back with what? Sour orange and anything?
A mango.
A mango.
Sorry, we have mango and pumpkin and coconut.
A sour orange? Huh?
No,
Oh.
that's a mango.
No, but me see it like sour orange.
No, sorry.
Oh,
Sorry, we get sorry, but I'm not going to
Sorry, no.
Right, I you see them I have to go find one sour orange tree for buy.
Where?
Eh?
Where find that?
I buy it from, well, me get it from Boise. Buy it from him. Tree
What
bills.
man know at White House?
Eh?
What man at White House?
No man, Viv Bridging from Hopewell.
So where do them?
Me not get none, sour
You want
orange.
them
I just a tree. More than for make conch salad.
Okay.
And that museum for.
Come to Bali, man.
Yeah man. So that's why anytime Jackie get you fresh conch for me, a conch salad we make with you. Me not waste and cook you know man.
Use lime. Them big lime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm to them doctor there.
Left on the one there.
Many of them there. Many of them, you know.
Alright. Tell them.
Try to say.
Doctor.
Doctor.
Then the corner.
That's how then doctor they are stay.
No. Sometimes you left someone, you take them all.
Left
Some to call back some, you know?
Yeah.
Some fish I should carry put that down, so. But I get smooch.
But you don't have no place.
I mean, I can't catch smooch. We don't throw it back, the bigger fish I catch, you know?
I don't have much to say.
Okay,
Just total joy, total amazement, wicked experience. I mean, go back on the beach, me talk. Can I talk here, sir?
Now?
So you say, what man?
One catch because they haven't got the money, you know. Alright, when you down there, put the, even though the fish are not big, and you sell off those fish, how much you be selling them? Give me an idea.
Like this, you know?
Yeah.
About 4 or 5 grand.
Sell like a young man.
From this?
I want it. Rent man alone, you make more 5 grand, that's all. I 700 a pound rent man. Okay. Rent man, we look at man.
There's still a steering where you want to park, bro.
Outset.
Yeah, see it on, let's see it on.
Eh?
Let's see it on there.
May see it with the next one, but true we gone far now, me not see it again.
Come like, you don't sit there now. Come in there, man. Outset, back up. I'll get right against that stone. You see him now?
Yeah.
That's one of the kids from Cooper, Cooper said that, you know.
Right, on the stone. So when the group are coming, they call me then.
Catch right for it. Yeah. We'll take you out. Catch up. Catch up, you know, go fishing up. Go rock.
Oh, what?
I'm from me, I'm a chance.
You want to put your white, sir?
Yeah, right, sir.
White. There's one white down, but super white, sir. You white, sir?
Oh, yeah. So from you see white I cover?
Yeah. That's my mark, yeah?
Alright. Yeah, cause that went up on the last one too. Yo, me still in amazement how Jackie just set him pot them. And I know marker, but no one pot them, I love that. One more pot, no marker, Jackie just drive and say see me pot them.
That's natural.
Natural, see him pot them, know exactly where mark it, no need no plastic, no boy, no nothing. Just say see white thing, that's my marker there. No pot that. No boy, nothing. If you look for Jackie pot them, you can't find them, I'm alone can't find them.
Black out.
And a lot of them come up and spring mount until I bring up fall hard up there. Yeah. Spring mount. I think we're going to tell what Larry and airport was one. I have a hotel now. There's much ride up to something and get it to me. So you see one and that's it, my one. So you have to don't talk for that's what I said. You have to get a work, you know.
That's in wine. You got a pump. Here, and all but.
But I don't know, bro. A good sign, sir.
Yeah.
Nice, good steamboat out for me. People will get upset and say these are small fish that are being caught, but nothing could be further from the truth. These are the size that are out there. I mean, we've been displaced with overfishing and people coming into our waters, pollution, all of that. And this is the fish that's left for Jackie to fish. These are the fish that our ancestors and the first Jamaicans, the Arawaks or Tainos, whatever you want to call them, these are the fish that they caught and consumed.
Him just
not want.
He just insist.
Yeah, man.
To strike. Take him out and put it back in the bridge. Take him out, you know. Sir.
Yeah, man, you're good, man.
Take him out and push back in safe. Hey, that good on. That one, that's one there. Come out your blood.
Can't find the green mullet them salmon. See that part of salmon, throw it out.
Come on there. So I'm big doctor, sir.
How much can I use them the partner?
You can't go to bait, but no, you cannot push them out. You don't really kill them part.
Okay.
You don't do like that.
Yeah.
Irish person, you know, people say Guardian slimy.
Yeah.
People say a slime with the Irish bash they eat.
The part is nice.
Throw the part.
Get wounded.
Dead.
No. Take one.
Throw the whole of them. Throw the whole of them.
Throw away the fish them that are dead pretty much, and the ones that are damaged, and the ones that are not going to be consumed. Throw back in there as well. Load it back with the mango them.
Slow man.
That's why it's fishing, not catching.
Yeah, catching bigger fish.
4 pot. 2 of them will pull up. And That's the half of the man. How about this?
How about that? How you do the man?
How about that kangaroo?
That's what.
Just roasted kangaroo.
You know John pot, right? What's up?
So Wha Gwann for them fish there? That's a good roast of that. A good roast of fish there. Show me water. Alright, flick up.
Perfect drop, man.
Yes, I get the perfect drop where you want it.
Drop all that drop, man.
That's a whole heap of fish that man heavy. So usually you see with the bone finger, now you see how the process is. How them go out, catch the fish, bring the fish in. Fish pot thing. If we go out there, we take 4 pots, we brought up 2. And this is the catch that we got. So, I mean, you see the process of the bone finger, but you never see the process of the actual catching. So big up Jackie, big up Sammy. So after we come in and drop the pots, it's not over there. I mean, they still have to carry the fish, go weigh the fish. Jackie still a clean out the boat, get the salt water out, wash out the engine and them thing there. And then it's over back to the seaside now, where they weigh the fish. Once you get the fish weighed, you have it cleaned after that, and then you can eat it or cook it or carry it wherever you want to go. So it's a whole process. And you have to say, I tell you all the time, stop ball down fisherman price, because a whole heap of work going to it, whole heap of hard labor going to it. I mean, Jackie's a man that make him pot. Him don't use anything to mark where him put out him fish pot. No buoys, no plastic, no anything. It's just real fishing, from using landmarks, using stars, using many different ways to basically locate where the fish are, and also different techniques of how to set the pot for different types of fish, and also how to bait the pot for different types of fish. So just separate them. Frenchman one side, doctor one side.
Yeah, Frenchman and parrot one side.
Parrot one side.
And parrot will really go bigger than them, man.
Yeah, this is size where they go to. But even the doctor, some of them different than some of them, because them are not grow bigger than that.
No, them want to grow bigger, man. Them want to tank fish, them want to grow bigger.
That one there, the dark one there.
Yeah, that one, the brown looking one, yeah. Want to grow too big now.
That one there. Cause some people from where place in Hawaii, you know, think about the fishing video and say regular them then call them one different name over there. Good size range, man. They call them squirrel fish.
I call them?
Squirrel fish.
Some people call them kangatoni. Set me but them call them kangatoni.
Kangatoni. First me hear that one there.
Set me but them call them kangatoni.
The blood fire, you love. One thing, you know, when I joke, you know.
What?
Hey, when me shoot them, you know, cause me like eat them, so me shoot. You know, man, I shoot them, but through me name them. I was thinking to swim with them coming in, you know, man.
How fish how come?
Not bossy.
What rent, man?
You have to put up on it.
What rent, man?
So, a new pot, man.
Eh?
So, a new pot.
You were side, you were tiger?
Sunday, the man are good. Sunday. But I'm going to beat the pot of his ass.
The fish now, especially down so.
Yeah.
But I'm slow.
Slow, but
So make your wrench man them use there for scale and no problem.
You know, for them,
You know,
feel kind of
make
more
it firm.
softer.
It's softer.
Yeah, you see, the words if you just sit them out of water.
Yeah.
Easier.
One chief just rub it off.
Yeah.
And one fat me usually get and just knock you off real quick. So, raw conch, and this is Bahamian style where you stew it. Salt water, raw, man. Fresh. The raw conch, not cooked, but fresh, right from the sea. I mean, right or something. And tastes damn good. Better than cooked. Onions.